How to clean crayon from an LCD TV screen. You really shouldn't use any material that's not designated for a television screen. So do not use your basic household cleaning materials or your household cleaning cloths, because they may leave lint. They also may leave a smudge. They also may etch the screen, so you don't want to use that. Only use approved cleaning fluids by approved or recognized manufacturers. This particular kit happens to be by Maxell, world-renowned as one of the premier accessory manufacturers for the audio-video industry. This one has the approved liquid inside, and it has 50 cleaning cloths. And these cleaning cloths are lint-free, and they're non-abrasive, and they won't generate any static or scratch the screen itself. So do not use your standard household cleaning materials to clean your TV. This will also clean plasmas, LCDs, and standard CRT tubes as well.